But I wanted to end with the one comment on Junior. I heard him yesterday say something. I heard him say that being rich is not a crime. And also I heard him say, I don't know whether Kimani Ichung'Wah shared his audited account. I heard him say Kimani Ichung'Wah is worth 5 billion shillings. So, brother...
Kimani contested that he had understated
that's what I heard yesterday.
Yes.
I mean, I saw it on TV somewhere. So, I end here, Mr. Speaker. So, I had a formal, like a point plan, Mr. Speaker.
But, Speaker, you must tell the nominee, just like him, I don't show off.
In fact, nobody can tell that you are worth anything.
Mr. Speaker, and that must be the culture in Kikuyu constituency.
Nominee, we are coming to an end. Naisula has asked me to remind you to respond to the issue of your public statement never to talk to your appointing authority. Although I told you that only fools don't change their mind, but in Naisula I would want the public to hear from you.
Sasa, Naisula, do you want to repeat the statement for me? Hatuwezi ongea? How?